On August 31st, the Recording Academy officially finalized the nomination deadline of Grammy 2021. Up to now, Best New Artist has always been considered the most competitive category in every Grammy season. Currently, the number of nominees in this category has increased to 8 instead of only 5 as in previous seasons. Therefore, many new talents will be recognized because in a year, many new names appear and gain attention in the global music industry. At this point, it is difficult to predict who will and will not be included in the 2021 Grammy Best New Artist nomination, because it's not possible to determine exactly which artists or groups will meet the conditions given by the Academy. Currently, predictions only come from experts, critics, and editors of famous magazines. Recently, Forbes magazine has just made predictions about the names that are likely to be nominated in the Best New Artist category. Accordingly, the predictions are divided into 3 levels: very likely, possible, and long shot. According to Forbes, in pop music, Ava Max, Conan Gray, Louis Capaldi, and BLACKPINK all have the highest probability. As for country music, the contestant from the American Idol contest, Gabby Barrett, with her debut single I Hope, had an impressive debut on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. Therefore, she is also very likely to enter the list. On the final level, Forbes gave names that are unlikely to enter the race for Best New Artist award. In addition to the emerging artists of the Western music industry, Kpop has 3 representatives appearing on this prediction list, including SuperM, NCT 127, and Monsta X.